Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my thoughts on the book, Y'all Eat Yet? Welcome to the Pretty Bee*Chin Kitchen, by Jen O'Brien. Before we dive into today's video, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of the new videos I upload every week. Plus, it's a great way to show support for my channel and help me continue to create more content for you. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always up to date. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. First off, let me just say that this book is not for the faint of heart. It's filled with bold language and even bolder recipes that are sure to impress any crowd. But don't let that scare you off. There's a lot to love about this cookbook. One of the things that really stood out to me was the author's passion for food. It's clear from the very beginning that Jen O'Brien loves to cook, and she's not afraid to experiment with bold flavors and ingredients. Throughout the book, she shares her personal journey with food and how it has shaped her life and career. The recipes themselves are a mix of traditional Southern cuisine with a modern twist. From the classic fried chicken to the more adventurous wild boar ragu, there's something for everyone in this book. And the best part? The recipes are easy to follow and don't require a lot of fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. But what really sets this book apart is the author's personality. Her writing style is witty, irreverent, and downright hilarious at times. It's like reading a cookbook written by your coolest, most outspoken friend. She's not afraid to speak her mind or make a few jokes along the way, and it's refreshing to see a cookbook that doesn't take itself too seriously. Overall, I would highly recommend Y'all Eat Yet? Welcome to the Pretty Bee*Chin Kitchen, to anyone looking for a fun and flavorful cookbook that will inspire them to get in the kitchen and start cooking. Jen O'Brien's passion for food and her infectious personality make this book a must-read for any foodie out there. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments if you've read this book and what you thought of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more book reviews and other content. See you in the next video.